So we have arrived here at the Tesla factory in Fremont, California. We are here today for the Tesla owners meetup, drive, and private dining. We're going to be having a meetup here today. Everyone's going to supercharge. We're going to drive down I-17, getting down to Santa Cruz, and then we're all going to have lunch together. We got a private room booked just for our Tesla owner family, so we can have a great meal, great afternoon, and a great time with our owners down in Santa Cruz. Today I'm here with Tom Melka from TeslaMotorsClub.com.
Hey Eli, thanks for arranging this event. Great to be here at the mothership at the factory.
All right, let's get everybody in. What's up, guys? I'm here today at the My Tesla Adventure Meetup, Drive, and Dine in Santa Cruz, California. I am here with Mike Burton. Mike, tell me about your story joining the Tesla community and what it's been like.
It's been amazing. I've always loved all electric cars, and this is like an amazing group for sharing in that passion with others. We all have Teslas, so we're all beyond enthusiasts, and we share in Elon's dream.
What Tesla do you drive and when did you join the community?
I have a P85 Plus, and I joined the community August 1st. So it's been not very long, like 6 months or so of since last year. Had lots of electric cars, and yeah, RAV4 EV as well, which is Tesla battery, Tesla motor. Yeah, just love everything to do with Tesla.
So you joined August 1st, you have an 85 Plus.
And my best friend, he bought it first, and then I bought it from him after convincing him to get a Model 3.
If you had to buy another car, what would it be?
Model 3.
Awesome.
Dual motor.
Dual motor Model 3.
Yep.
One last question for you. How did you find out about the My Tesla Adventure community?
I joined all the Tesla groups on Facebook. So I just, anything to do with Tesla, I was in.
It's a good thing we're on Facebook. Mike, thank you so much for coming out today.
Thank you so much.
Thanks for letting us interview you.
Thank you, absolutely.